जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा, जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा। जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा, जय श्री कृष्ण।
ಸೌಂಡ್ ಯಾರು ವೀಟ್ಲು ಸೌಂಡ್
அவங்க ஜாயின் ஆகாம இருந்துட்டு இப்பதான் மைக் ஆன் பண்ணிருக்காங்க.
भीमातीर निवासाय पंढरीपुर वासिने पांडुरंग प्रकाशाय विठ्ठलाय नमो नमः। मरुत्पुत्राय कवये भीमाय भयहारिणे श्रीमदानंद तीर्थाय प्रख्याताय नमो नमः। शिवतनय वरिष्ठं सर्वकल्याणमूर्तिं परशुकमलहस्तं शोभितं मोदकेन अरुणकुसुममाला व्याललम्बोदरं तं मम हृदय निवासं श्रीगणेशं नमामि। कृष्णव्रता कृष्णमनुस्मरन्तः रात्रौ च कृष्णं पुनरुत्थिताये ते कृष्णदेहा प्रविशन्ति कृष्णम्। आज्यं यथा मन्त्रहुतं हुताशे बुद्धिर्बलं यशोधैर्यं निर्भयत्वमरोगता अजाड्यं वाक्पटुत्वं च हनूमत्स्मरणात् भवेत्। चित्रैः पदैश्च गम्भीरैः वाक्यमानैरखण्डितैः गुरुभावं व्यञ्जयन्ति भाति श्रीजयतीर्थवाक् प्रणमत्कामधेनुं च भजत्सुरतरूपमं श्रीभावबोधकृत्पाद चिन्तामणिमुपास्महे। पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे अन्नपूर्णे सदापूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जन्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। राकाचन्द्र समानकान्तिवदनां नाकाधिराजस्तुता मूकानामपि कुर्वती सुरधुनी नीकाश वाक्वैभवं। श्रीकाञ्चीनगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री सताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपते आकारिणी राजते। सत्यं विधातुं निजभृत्यभाषितं व्याप्तिं च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मनः अदृश्यत अत्यद्भुतरूपमुद्वहन् स्तम्भे सभायां न मृगं न मानुषं नरसिंह न मृगं न मानुषं। My humble obeisance to the Lord of Vrindavan and Guruvayur, Shri Krishna, to Shri Rama, the Lord of Ayodhya, to Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati and Ma Sita, to Mahadeva and Ma Kali, to Siddhivinayak Maharaj and Subramanya Swami, to the exemplary devotee Shri Hanumanji, and to all the devotees of the Lord who are listening to the Bhagavatam. By the grace of the Lord, we start with the traditional prayer. Samsara sagare magnam deenam mam karunanidhe कर्म मोह गृहीतांगम मामुद्धर भवार्णवात्। श्रीमद्भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्ष कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशव शुकरूपा प्रबोधज्ञा सर्वशास्त्रविशारदा एतत् कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशय वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुम् अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्. By the grace of the Lord, on your behalf and my own, we thank all the patrons of Kshatrupasana who have made it possible for us to do the Katha day after day for so many months now. May the Lord of Vrindavan bless these devotees with long life, good health and prosperity. May they continue to do the noble work which they have undertaken. With this, we fall in tune with the divine and sing the Govinda Damodara Stotra. अग्रे कुरूणाम् अथ पाण्डवानां दुःशासनेन कृतवस्त्रकेशा कृष्ण तदा क्रोशदनन्यनाथा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 श्री कृष्ण विष्णु मधुकैटभारे भक्तानुकम्पिन् भगवन् मुरारे त्रायस्व मां केशव लोकनाथ गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 वक्तुं समर्थोऽपि न वक्ति कच्चित् अहो जनानां व्यसनाभिमुख्यं जिह्वेऽपि भस्म जिह्वेऽपि भस्म जिह्वेऽपि भस्मामृतं ये तदेव गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति. As I opened a book of bhajans, I suddenly remembered one day I was sitting in the ashram more than 20 years back. Somebody rang up from Vrindavan and said, today is Radhashtami. So that day I got this song. Ras vilasini radhe, mrudu mrudu hasini radhe, प्रेम विकासिनी राधे मधुर सुभाषिनी राधे 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 रास विलासिनी राधे मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे मेरा मन नित गाए तुझको बुलाता जाए मेरा मन नित गाए तुझको बुलाता जाए तू जो राधा रानी आई तेरे संग श्याम लाए तू जो राधा रानी आई तेरे संग श्याम लाए रास विलासिनी राधे मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे प्रेम विकासिनी राधे मधुर सुभाषिनी राधे 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 रास विलासिनी राधे मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे चांदनी रात हो शुक जी की बात हो चांदनी रात हो शुक जी की बात हो रास विलास हो काना तेरे साथ हो रास विलास हो काना तेरे साथ हो रास विलासिनी राधे मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे प्रेम विकासिनी राधे, मधुर सुभाषिनी राधे 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 राधे, रास विलासिनी राधे, मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे। कृष्ण प्रेम धन दे दे, बास वृंदावन दे दे, कृष्ण प्रेम धन दे दे, बास वृंदावन दे दे, भक्ति का सुमन दे दे, तेरे जैसा मन दे दे, भक्ति का सुमन दे दे, तेरे जैसा मन दे दे, रास विलासिनी राधे, मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे, प्रेम विकासिनी राधे, मधुर सुभाषिनी राधे 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 राधे, रास विलासिनी राधे, मृदु मृदु हासिनी राधे। जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे, जय जय श्री राधे। Back to the Bhagavatam. The Lord has asked Uddhava to go to Vrindavan. Gacchodhava vrajam saumya, pitrornau pritimavaha, gopinam mat viyogadhim, mat sandesher vimochaya. There is an Adi, there is a Vyadhi. Vyadhi is for the body, Adi is for the mind. Two types of diseases. Disease of the mind is called Adi, disease of the body is called Vyadhi. They are suffering from mental disease, separation from me. Go and cure their disease. Ta man manaska, mat prana, madarte tyakta daihika. Everything that is secular they have forgotten. Mame vadayitam prishtam, atmanam manasagata. I am the dearest for them, the best for them, and they have understood that I am the best for them. Ye tyakta loka dharmacha madarthe tan bibharmyaham. I sustain them because they have forgotten everything else. Maita prayasam preshte duraste gokulastriyaha smarantyo anga vimukhyanti viraha autkantya vikvalaha. They are suffering from the pangs of separation and they are anxious. Go and tell them, go and tell them. Somehow they are managing to live. Dharayanti atikrichreena praya pranan kathanchana. Pata nahi kaise ji rahe hain. You don't know how they are trying to sustain themselves. Pratyagamana sandeshair vallavyo me madatmika. They are totally surrendered to me. Go and tell them that I'll come back soon. Ityuktas uddhavo rajan sandesham bharturadritaha adaya rathamaruhya prayayo nandagokulam. It is difficult to think of the degree of bhakti that the gopis have. The Lord held the hand of Uddhava and said, go and tell them, Uddhava. Uddhava left for Vrindavan. Prapto Nandavrajam Shriman. Whenever the great scriptures say Shriman, please don't think of secular wealth, not fiscal wealth. It is bhakti, bhakti dhana. Payudi maine Ram ratan dhan payo. Payudi maine Ram ratan dhan payo. Vastu amolik दे मेरे सतगुरु. वस्तु अमोलिक दे मेरे सतगुरु. It is so difficult to divide secular wealth from spiritual wealth. But let me tell you, in the times of pandemic, I think you understand that secular wealth is nothing. It is just lying there as a painted ship on a painted ocean, as they say. The saying goes. It is of no use. What can you do with your billions now? Nothing. You can't go out shopping because you are scared. You don't want to spend anything because you think it will be over. You don't know when the pandemic will over, so you're hoarding. I'm so amused at people's attitude to wealth. So that the real wealth is the wealth of the Lord's bhakti. When Vibhishana leaves Ravana, Ramayana says, Antariksha Gata Shriman. If you remember your Ramayana, he's Shriman because he's seeking Rama. Anybody who seeks Rama and Krishna is the Dhanavan. He is the rich man. He is the rich man. No wonder. Prapto Nanda Vrajam Chiman Nimna Lochita Vibhavasau. Just then the sun was setting. And what did he see? Oh, all the rustic scene of Gokula is now described. I'll just give you a fleeting account of it. There were cows, there were bulls, there were calves, they were milking. The noise of milking was there, loud reverberation of cowherds playing on the flute, all men and women, gopas and gopis singing the glory of the Lord. The cowherds' homes were full of abundant sacrificial fire, and unexpected guests were there. The cows were there, the brahmanas were there, the forefathers and demigods were being worshipped. On all sides, flowering forests were there. You can imagine, from the town, from the concrete jungle called a city, metropolitan city, you go into the village, suddenly you feel you're breathing. You're breathing fresh air. You want such an atmosphere. Uddhava is so happy to see all this. Tamagatam samagamya Krishnasya anucharam priyam Nanda prita parishvajya Vasudeva dhiya archayat. It is at this moment that I want to highlight something for you. We bhaktas, I'm very humbly talking about people like me who do the katha. You know, when we bhaktas go anywhere, people worship us. We feel humbled because we are nothing. We just talk about the Lord. That's all that we do. And yet they put us on a high pedestal. They place us on a high pedestal. First time there was a katha in Kashi, they took me in a horse chariot, nearly 2 kilometers long. The procession was. I was feeling so shy. I was bowing down my head and holding the Bhagavatam in my hand. I didn't know that Bhagavad Kartas are worshipped like this. In Surat, I remember 108 women were carrying beautiful Gujarati dresses and they were carrying kalashas. 108 women before me. I said, my God. And everybody around the roadside watching me. I was really blushing to the roots. I tell you why. Because then I realized, no, a bhakta is worshipped as much as the Bhagwan. That is what you feel. When a bhakta comes, you feel Krishna has come. That is how they elevate us. They wash our feet. They press our feet. 90% of my devotee friends, whoever come and I'm lying down on the bed, they're pressing my feet. They're pressing my feet. I feel honored, I feel humbled, and I feel grateful to the Lord for this elevation, this promotion, whatever you call it. How do you remember this? It is when Uddhava enters the house of Nanda. Nanda does the archana as if Bhagavan has come. Vasudeva dhiya archayat. Thinking it is Krishna himself who has come, non-different from Krishna, says the translation. It is at that time that he is pressing his feet, bhojitam, paramannena, samvishtam, kashipau sukham, soft bed. When you call a guest at home, give him the softest bed, not the hard bed which you don't like and you discard it. He'll go off the next day. If you want to send him off, you can give him a hard bed. I don't mind. But if you want the guest to continue, give him a comfortable room. You remember what Sri Rama does? Rama says, let Sugriva live in my palace. That is the guest house. Because he was the friend. He was the Vanara king who befriended me when Sita was lost. Look at the Lord's gratitude, my dear listeners. Many of us don't even give our pillow to anybody, as if we're going to be burnt with a pillow, finally. Why can't we? Why can't we be kind and generous to those who have been kind and generous to us? I am touched by the Lord's kindness. Here is Nand Baba also acting nobly, being the father of the Lord. He gives him a very soft bed, and then after all, it's come driving a long way, so makes him lie down, and he is pressing his feet. All well, my dear, most fortunate one. You have come all the way from Uddhava, you have come all the way from Mathura. I hope Now Vasudeva is happy. One man's food is another man's poison. We lost Krishna, he gained Krishna. We are unhappy that we have lost him, but he is happy that he's found him after so many years. Both his sons are with him now. Vasudeva must be happy with Balarama and Krishna very close to him. Api smarati na Krishno. Does he remember us? Mataram suhrudas sakhin. Does he remember the mother? Does he remember the father? Does he remember his friends? Gopan Vrajam Chatmanatham, Gavo Vrindavanam Girim. Does he remember all this? Uddhava, in his conversation with you, does he ever mention Vrindavan? Does he mention Baba, Nand Baba? Does he mention Yashoda Ma? Apyayasti Govinda Swajanan Sukradhikshitam Tarhi Drakshyama Tatvaktam Sunasam Susmitekshanam. When he comes back, we will see him. Will he come back? Will he come back? We were saved from the bull, from the wind and the rain, from the forest fire, from the serpent demon. Everything he saved us. Thinking of him. Tava kathamritam Krishna tapta jivanam kavibhiriditam Krishna kalmashapaham Sravana mangalam Krishna Srimadaatatam Bhuvi grinanti te Krishna Bhurida jana. They are the ones who are giving the maximum benefit to the world. My dear Uddhava, we have forgotten everything secular here. Everything here reminds us of him. We see where Mukunda played, the rivers, the hills, the forests, and our minds are totally absorbed in him. Imagine this little Krishna, he and Balarama killed Kamsa, whose strength is equal to 10,000 elephants. Remember that. Kamsa was not an ordinary villain. 10,000 elephants with one mushti, one fist, that's all, blow, and he was gone. Akhandanji Maharaj says there was no need for a blow. There was a sudden cardiac arrest. The moment the Lord pulled him from the throne, Kamsa was gone because he knew death had come. Kamsam, Naga, Yuta Pranam, Mallau, Mushtika Chanura, two wrestlers. Gajapati, Kuvalaya Pida. Avadhishtam Leela. Imagine both of them killed like a Leela. Pashun eva mrgadhipaha. Just as a lion kills animals, that is how they kill. And then here is Nand Baba saying, the bow that he broke, for your information, was 270 feet long. These are details which I can't give you in the Bhagavatam because I have only 2 hours or 2.5 hours. I noted down that it is how much it is. Talatrayam Mahasaram. One tala, 3 talas long, and 1 tala is 60 hastas, 90 feet. So this was 270 feet long. You can imagine how big the bow was. That snapped in two as soon as the Lord touched it. Iti samsmritya. They are recounting all the leelas of the Lord. Nanda Krishna Anuraktadhi. He had dissolved himself and his thoughts in Krishna. Atyutkanto abhavat tushnim prema prasara vikhvalaham. Whenever we speakers talk about the Lord, our throats are choked. There are so many instances where I can't speak beyond a few words and I have to halt for a while, swallow my spittle, then ask my mind to come back to normalcy. It is difficult. Imagine what Nand Baba would be going through, thinking of the Lord. Yashoda, when this is happening, Yashoda suddenly sees, oh, I remember my child Krishna. My dear listeners, ever since Krishna left for Mathura, no complaints of butter stealing. No gopi comes to the complaint bureau. Nothing sensational is happening. A little later, one of the Puranas says, oh, the granaries of Nanda are empty. Grass is growing there. Nothing is there. with Krishna going away to Mathura. There is nothing in Vrindavan, in Gokula, nothing. I asked Mother Yashoda, how did you feel when Krishna went away? A song came to me. बैठी हूँ लेकर मैं माखन, सोना पड़ा है मेरा आंगन, खन के नहीं नूपुर कंकन, आके तू ही खन का जाना रे, काना जाना आ जाना रे, आके मुरली सुना जाना रे, सुख शांति फैला जाना रे, खूब रोई हंसा जाना रे. You can imagine what she was feeling when Krishna was gone. तयोरित्थं भगवती कृष्णे नंद यशोदयोः वीक्ष्यानुरागं परमं नंदमाह उद्धवो मुदा. As soon as he saw their extraordinary devotion to the Lord, what did he say? Yuvam shlaghyatamau nunam. You are the praiseworthy parents of the Lord. Dehinam iham anadam narayane akhila guru yatkrita matiridrishi. You have such an attitude. To whom? About whom are you talking? Not an ordinary child, Narayana, Akhila Guru, the master of the world. These two children, Etau hi vishwasya cha bijayoni, Ramo mukunda purusha pradhanam, Anviya bhuteshu vilakshanasya, Jnanasya chesha taimau puranau. They control everything in the world. They are the ones who are the controllers of the world. They are the creators of the world. The entire world is created by Lord Narayana and his Amsha, who is there in the form of Adishesha. Agamishyati adirghena. Very soon Krishna will come and make you happy. Priyam vidhasyate pitro bhagavan satvatam patihi. Very soon Narayana will come and he'll make you happy. Let me tell you, the Lord has no mother, no father, no brother, no sisters, no bondage at all. And yet, na mata, na pita tasya, na bharya, na suta dayaha, na atmiyo, na parachyapi, na deho, janma evacha, janma karma cha me divyam, said the Lord in the Gita. I am not an ordinary person. You may say, hi Krishna, Arjuna, you may say, hi Arjuna. Arjuna, you may say, hi Krishna, hi Yadava, hi Madhava, but I am not what you think. I am the master of the world, and I will show you. I will give you a public demonstration. And when you see my Vishwarupa, you'll realize, Pitasi Lokasya Characharasya. You'll realize that the entire world is contained in me, and I am the one who creates the world. So that is how Uddhava is telling the parents, he has no mother, no father. Kridartham sopi sadhunam paritranaya kalpate. Just the Leela is for making the sadhus happy. We people, we good people are listening to his kathas, because if he had not come down as Krishna and Rama, we wouldn't know him. If he was there as a Parabrahma Rupa in his distant heavens, where the mind cannot reach, the eye cannot see, the ear cannot hear, and that is God. If I told you, you would close down your laptop and your phone and go back to your duties. But if I say, Adharam Madhuram, Vadanam Madhuram, Nayanam Madhuram, Hasitam Madhuram, Hridayam Madhuram, Gavanam Madhuram, Hridayam Madhuram, Gavanam Madhuram, Madhuradhipatir Akhilam Madhuram, Madhuradhipatir Akhilam Madhuram, Madhuradhipatir Akhilam. Everything about him. Then you'll say, Amma is giving Krishna Katha, so we must listen. Only when he came down as Krishna and Rama, he became fascinating, he became accessible, and we could understand the Parabrahma. Otherwise, he would have remained a nebulous, amorphous substance whom nobody understands. Maybe those who like Nirakara Brahma, I can't appreciate a Nirakara Brahma. I want a Sakara. I want Zari ki pagdi bandhe, सुंदर आंखों वाला, कितनो सुंदर लागे बिहारी, कितनो लागे निराला, कभी चमके हीरे की बाली, कभी मोतियन की माला, कितनो सुंदर I want to see him as the handsome one, as the lovely one, as the accessible one, as the compassionate one. That is why, in order to make sadhus happy, he gave the pastimes to make his saintly devotees happy. That is why he came down as an avatar. Yuvayor eva naivayam atmajo bhagavan harihi. Don't think he is only your son. He is the son of anybody who does Vatsalya Bhakti. Anybody who does Vatsalya Bhakti, he comes to that person. There is no doubt. Long back when I was in Vrindavan, a real life story, true story was told to me. There was an old lady in Vrindavan. She was very devoted to the Lord, to Banke Bihari. And every day she used to go to the Lord and see his beautiful figure. One day, it was very early in the morning, and she was very unhappy. Why, they did not know. When she met the priest that day, she said, "You were wrong in what you did." The priest was angry because the priests think that they are the be-all and end-all of life. You can't correct them. She said, you gave my Lord, sorry, you gave my Lord Bihari a cold water bath. And that too on a wintry morning. He said, no. She said, take your handkerchief. Take a handkerchief and hold it near his nose. His nose is running. Everybody said, yes, Panditji, yes, Panditji, yes, Pandaji. And the priest with trembling fingers took a new handkerchief and placed it near the nose of Bihariji. It was running. You understand? She sits in her house and realizes what is happening to Banke Bihari's temple. Anybody who has devotion can become a mother to the Lord, father to the Lord, brother to the Lord, sister to the Lord. You're not the only one who are connected. Everyone loves him. Everyone can be connected to him. Just then, he heard around himself, Udgayatinam Aravindalochanam Vrajangananam Divamasprishatvani Dadnascha Nirmanthana Shabdamishritu Nirasyate Yena Dishama Mangalam. As soon as you mentioned the Gopi's name, music and dance enter. No? You saw the change of the meter? What's that? What's the sound? From where is the sound coming? Who's singing? Uddhava is suddenly attracted, distracted, whatever you call it. He is distracted by a new sound. Udgayatinam aravindalochanam govinda damo daramadhaveti govinda damo daramadhaveti govinda damo daramadhaveti. Who's singing? Oh, Udgayatinam Aravindalochanam Vrajangananam Divam Asprishat Dhvanihi. The sound of the gopis' songs reached the heavens, my dear listeners. Divam Asprishat. It reached the sky. Dadnasjanir manthana shabramishito. And what is the rhythm for it? Clack, 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 clack. Cluck, 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 cluck. They are churning. They are churning. Govinda Damo. Cluck, 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 cluck. You can hear? You can hear the buttermilk gurgling? Yes. That is the way they were singing. And that is the way they were allowing the sound to go up to heaven. Would it reach Krishna? Will he know that we're thinking about him? Nirasyate yena disham amangalam. The best part about it is when butter is churned in the morning by them, this sound is a mangala sound. It's an auspicious sound. It removes all the inauspiciousness. Disham amangalam. Nirasyate. It dispels all the amangala around. Bhagavati udite surye nandadvari vrajarukasaha drishtva ratham shatakaumbham kasyayam itita bruvan. When the sun god had risen, people of Vraja, early morning, he had come in the evening, and so he had rested, Uddhava. Next morning, they said, golden chariot, golden chariot. I tell my friend, if any rich friend of yours gives his latest limousine to you, please be cautious. There must be a plan behind it. The Lord had given him his golden chariot. Don't get flattered. There's a conspiracy behind it. There's a conspiracy. Why? Because he wanted to understand what the gopis wanted really. Uddhava didn't know. Uddhava was flattered. Krishna has given me a golden chariot. Everybody's saying, one fellow called Akrura came. Has he come again? Akrurak agata kimva yak kamsasya arthasadakaha yena nito madhuparim Krishna kamalalochanaha. That fellow came and took away our lovely lotus-eyed Krishna. What did this fellow come? Kamsa is dead. Kamsa's funeral is being performed now. As it is being performed, does he want to offer our flesh to him? What is remaining here? Our life and soul is gone. Why do people come from Vrindavan? Bhej do in Luterumko. Send the urban plunderers back, I say. Don't allow them to come to Gokula. There is nothing left over here. Uddhava got scared, Whenever you can't think properly, you say, I'm dumbstruck, This eloquent man, Vrishninam Pravaro Mantri Krishnasya Daita Sakha Shishyo Brahaspate Sakshat Uddhavo Buddhi Sattamaha. You don't know what to think. He's saying, my God, who are these people? Now I know why I came. Now I know why I came. All the Gopas and particularly the Gopis are looking at Uddhava. It's a lovely description of Uddhava. Let me tell you, my dear listeners, that Akhandanji Maharaj says Uddhava is the first cousin of Krishna. He looked almost like Krishna, very handsome, very lovely. Here we have a poster of Uddhava bowing down to the Gopis. The little child Teju came and said, is that Krishna? I said, somebody who looks like Krishna. Just to tell you how the painter has depicted what the Bhagavata says. Tam viksha Krishna nucharam vrajastriya pralamba bahum navakanjalochanam pitambaram pushkara malinam lasan mukharavindam parimrishta kundalam suvismita koyam apivya darshanaha kutascha kasyachyuda vesha bhushanaha iti sma sarva parivabru utsukat samuttama shloka padambujashrayam. How did you like the shlokas? It's almost like the description of Krishna, isn't it? Tam viksha Krishna anucharam vrajastriya. He's the servant of Krishna. Servant means obeying the orders of Krishna. Pralamba bahum, long arms he has got. Navakanjalochanam, fresh lotus petal eyes. Pitambaram, wearing yellow silk. Pushkara malinam, lasan, shining with kamalamala. Mukharavindam, lovely face, which looks like a lotus. And he's got burnished earrings, lustrous earrings. Parimrishta kundalam, suvismita. Oh God, we've never seen anybody like this. Apivya darshanaha. He's so handsome. Kutascha kasya achyuta vesha bhushanaha. Only now he realizes why Krishna gave him his vesha bhushana. As he was leaving, Uddhava, yes, Swami, please wear my pitambar. Please wear my angavastra. Please wear my jewelry. Please wear a kamalamala like me. Oh, Uddhava is very happy. If Krishna or Radha asks you to dress up like themselves, how flattered you will feel naturally, Oh, Krishna is giving his clothes to me. I'm honored. The Lord has a conspiracy. The Lord is naughty. Rama would never have done a thing like this. Only Krishna will do it. Only Krishna. That's why you have itisma sarva parivavru utsuka tam uttama shloka padambujashrayam. He who had taken shelter under the feet of Krishna, they want to know, who is this? Who is this? Tam prashrayena avanata susaskrutam savridaha sekshana sunruta divihi rahasi apruchan upavishtamasane vijnaya sandesha haram ramapate. Then the gopis honored him with shy, smiling glances and pleasing words. They took him to a quiet place, made him sit comfortably, and then they recognized that he is the secret service agent of Krishna. They Janimastvam yadupate parshadam tampagatam bhartreha preshita pitro bhavan priya chikirshaya. We know you have come from him. We know you have brought the sandesh from him. Anyatha govrajetasya smaraniyam na chakshmahe snehanubandho bandhunam munirapi sudustyajaha. We see nothing else he might consider worth remembering here. The bonds of affection of one's family members are difficult to break, even for a sage. He has got his parents now. He is happy with Vasudeva and Devaki there. Why should he think of us? And naturally, the first reaction is anger. I have told my audience before, suppose your husband goes on a long tour, and like all husbands, he doesn't call you. The one thing they forget is to call home. That's what they make all other calls except the call to the wife. The wife is naturally angry. And when the phone comes, I won't answer the phone. Angry. And after a while, she waits. Will the phone ring again? This is the natural reaction of people who love each other. Naturally. You can't say, oh, how nice of you to call. You want to get, what the hell were you doing? Not calling. That is the first reaction. That is how the gopis say, yes. He is just like the bee. What does the bee do? After drinking the honey, Sumanasviva shatpadaihi pumbihi strishu krita yatvat anyeshvartha krita maitri yavadartha vidambanam. Now let me tell you, blood is thicker than water. Those bonds with Vasudeva and Devaki, they're a very strong bond. They were born to it. Both of them were born to them. So they love them. But we are not family members. We are outsiders. They can easily depart from here. They can break our hearts. It doesn't matter to them. Because how is it? It's like men who take interest for a short time in women, or bees who take interest in flowers. So men forget the women whom they have adopted for a while. Oh yes. Or it can be like the stray women abandon a man who has no money. Subjects abandon a king who is incompetent. Students after graduation don't meet their teachers at all. And priests don't meet the Yajaman who has already given them dakshina. How do you like the comparison? Nisvam tyajanti ganika akalpam nrupatim prajaha adhita vidya acharyam ritvijo datta dakshinam. After you give dakshina to the priest, he doesn't even say bye-bye. He's already gone. Today he has a two-wheeler also. So he goes away, speeds away. And a mobile, both. Shankha Chakra Gada Hasta. That is how he is. That is how he's gone, sir. He doesn't remember us. We are not blood relatives. He just took us for a ride, sir. He took us for a ride. Gayanta Priya Karmani Rudantyas Jagata Kriya Tasya Samsmritya Yani Kaishora Balyayo. Just then. They remembered and then remembered and remembered the Lord, and their throats were choked with emotion, thinking of Krishna. You have come from Krishna, sir. You have come from Krishna. So you have to bear whatever we tell you about him. But then I tell my audience, be careful when you address a prime minister or a president. You can be liable for defamation suit. You can't use unparliamentary language. You should watch your word. You watch your language. You can't speak what you like in public, that too, to the prime minister of a country. So suddenly the gopi, who's very clever, finds there's a bee. A bee comes hovering. She's looking at the bee. Get away. Get away, you bee. Uddhava knows, I know I am the bee. Uddhavo buddhi sattamaha. That is why right at the beginning his biodata was given to you. He understands. If it was an ordinary person, he or she would not have understood काचिन् मधुकरं दृष्ट्वा ध्यायन्ती कृष्णसङ्गमं प्रियप्रस्थापितं दूतं कल्पयित्वा इदम् अब्रवीत्. She looked at one particular gopi, looks at the bee and thinking that the bee has come from the great Lord as Uddhava has come. She begins to talk. I'll just read the first shloka and elaborate on it tomorrow. Madhupakitava bandho masprishanggrim sapatnya kuchaviluritamala kunkumashmashrubhetnaha vahatu madhupatistanmanininam prasadam yadu sadasi vidambyam yasya dutastvamidrik yasya dutastvamidrik. How did you like that Sanskrit part of it, my dear listeners? Sanskrit speaks to you. You don't need my stupid translation. Original speaks to you. Madhupakitava bandho masprushangrim sapatnya kuchaviluritamala kunkumashmashrubhitnaha vahatu madhupatistam manininam prasadam yadu sadasi vidambyam yasya dutastvamidrik. Sometimes you feel happy when you're abused by the right people. The whole of today or tonight, Uddhava will enjoy the abuse. We meet tomorrow. By the grace of the Lord, may you have all your dharmic desires fulfilled. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurtaraha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. Narayana, 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 Bolo Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Narayana, 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 Krishna Narayana, 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 Satya Narayana, Narayana, Narayana. Yatra Yogeshwara Krishno, Yatra Partho Dhanurdharaha, Tatra Shri Vijayo Bhutir, Dhruvani Tirmatir Mama. God willing, we meet tomorrow at 7.
जय श्री कृष्ण माँ।
जय श्री कृष्ण माँ जी। जय श्री
Thank
जय
you, Ma.
श्री कृष्ण माँ। थैंक यू माँ।
जय श्री कृष्ण माँ। जय श्री कृष्ण माँ। जय माता दी। जय माता दी।
जय श्री कृष्ण माँ।
जय माता दी।
जय श्री कृष्ण दीदी।
थैंक यू अम्मा।
Jai Shri Krishna. Everybody.
थैंक यू। जय माता दी।
जय कृष्ण।
जय श्री
Jai
Shri Krishna, thank you.
Jai
Thank
Shri
you, Ma.
Jai
Jai Shri Krishna.
थैंक यू। जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्णा माँ।
जय श्री कृष्ण माँ।
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय
Jai
श्री
Shri
कृष्ण।
Krishna. We meet tomorrow.
थैंक यू।
जय श्री